ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Adetoun Onajobi èyí tó sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tàná President Muhammadu Buhari èyí tó dolóògbé OGBENUTAN ó lẹ́tìkẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn ìtẹ́yìn náà bá rò lórí fídíò yìí ẹ fi dáhùn yín ẹ fi sí orí comment section ire o.
Well, say we supposed to dey cry báyìí ni àbí Buhari don kpai. Buhari no kpai for Nigeria. Person wey carry our money say they bring presidential hospital. Person wey we shout from January to December for 4 years to build hospital. Our own president can't go kpai for. No be another government next for London. He kpai for private hospital in London. So now like this, we supposed to dey do national crime. When we are telling you people that you don't know who will be affected. Share all the power, security, emergency flying is over now. Tinubu otikuba ilonsin. So my Baba Jagaban, make una do the one we go favor everybody. Don't be the one we go favor una alone. Tinubu don't buy for private hospital. The pie no concern me because pie na pie. One day we will every die na die. I've always said it. You dey go, you dey travel, they kidnap you, they pie you, na die. You dey your house, straight bullet come meet you, na die. You be president, build hospital for us, take care of the masses. You say here they pay you, then go do bone marrow transplant. They spend all the national money on you. Now you are not in power. Pie don't buy you. Me, I will not say you should rest in peace. Me sympathize with anybody. Because now our money they go still take do national burial now. Buhari don't buy. And you go buy for private hospital. No be say you buy for British government hand. You see it? Politicians, you see it? The power of greed and vengeance. Now, they be saying this president better pass this on down. The only president will go good. Now, person they will build infrastructure for your country. I cannot condolence anybody. I cannot sympathize with anybody because masses too are buying every day. Some people don't buy for general. As them born, some people they don't buy. Some people need medical attention, they don't buy. So if Buhari buy, it's all well and good. At the age of 81, you know that. This is not insensitivity. This is anybody. We are all affected, no matter how big or how small you are. We are all affected in this crisis. How can a president of a country go and buy in another person's country? Donald Trump no can receive medical treatment for year. All the way they say King Charles sick, King Charles. Wow, they not bring and come Nigeria. Now they carry you na 2-legged they go. They push us, make they carry our 2-legged they go. See somebody like me. What they would have just used an equipment to check. They want to open my brain. I reach London, then carry just equipment, check. Say, madam, you don't need a brain surgery. We can check. Now, president don't buy. She make her they cry now. Be make her enter Daura go greet them. Don't buy any koto kudan.